on an adventure. Ha 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 ha. Bean soup beer. Hey everybody, I am here. I am going to be helping with a workshop one of my teachers is leading, and I'm lucky enough I get to come and lead a meditation. Really grateful. And I'm here early just to kind of settle into the vibe. It's a bit dark in here, I bet. Nice. Well, that wasn't very helpful. But look at this buddy right here, chewing on a bone scaroon. Yum, yum, yum. Nighttime right now, so I'll take some beauty shots tomorrow because the area around here is really pretty. Planning right now on not filming the event because I'm not hosting it, and also because that's why, because I feel maybe I will, but right now probably not going to show it, so this is more just kind of like taking you along on a weekend when I get to be a teacher. And you get to hear Pupperino crunching on bone skis. Num 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 num. Talk soon. This is what it looks like to be mindful about Pupperino eating a hat. Pupperino. Hey. 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 That's my hat. 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 Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. Haha. No more hat. Great success. Alright, got it figured out. Workshop tomorrow. And then I'm going to be teaching more. Yeah, just kind of gonna let it develop. Very exciting. What an adventure this is turning out to be. I started that video last Friday, and I was heading down to city of New Bedford from Boston, where I live, to New Bedford, where one of the teachers I've been working with the longest lives, this wonderful woman Lisa Murphy, and I came down, got to help with the meditation, leading a meditation, and Just trying to get to the light. And then this weekend, I'm helping with a yoga teacher training. Oh, I don't want the old cue. No, I don't want that. Never mind. Playing with the settings. Yeah. I didn't film much of the training, just that little lasagna shot, because I wanted you to see how pretty that room is. Oh, goodness, is it a pretty room. Beautiful people also, inside and out, and just such a nice community. The meditation stuff is my favorite, but I do have a 200-hour training in Hatha Yoga from a lineage holder tradition. Shambhavananda was the guru at this place, Shoshone, in Colorado. Really cool place. And then I did my 300-hour training on top of that at Kripalu in Western Mass. Also super cool place, and also from a lineage, and that one's Swami Kripalu. Highly recommend both places. And this yoga training that I'm doing now, this is another 200-hour, and I'm assistant teaching as a meditation faculty person, but I'm also in the training myself. This woman, Lisa, has been, she's kind of like a spiritual mom, so to speak. I met her when I was in high school. I'm 27 now, and so for more than 10 years, I've been listening to what she says, comparing it against all the stuff I love studying spiritually and scientifically, historically, all kinds of stuff. Super smart lady, and in high school she would help me out using her vocation as a healer. A lot of people like her will have some massage training, some Reiki healing, some shamanism healing, some hypnotherapy healing, just kind of building their tool belt. And then all of a sudden, they're this almost like super phenomenal being. And but the help that I received was so nothing supernatural about it. It was like I was suicidal, depressed. I felt like I was a living embodiment of hatred. Not anymore. I had pain in my body. I couldn't use my body the same way I can now. I had pain in my belief systems. I couldn't think about myself, even rationally sometimes. And I was just generally unhappy and hopeless. So she didn't, fix me overnight. She didn't fix me. But she did a lot. But there's an important aspect that kind of the healer holds space, holds an example, holds a frequency, and then helps the other person get into that state. So Lisa guided me in that way, and she was super helpful, extraordinarily helpful. And then high school came to an end, and I had almost dropped out of high school. I was in the meeting with my dean and my mom to sign the paperwork in the beginning of senior year of high school, 2010, because I graduated in spring of 2011. And my dean and I had many a talk, and she just kind of gave me a look. And I was like, all right, I'll stay. I ended up finishing that year on honor roll, all thanks to a tutor, Torrance B. Lewis. My life has been as it is because of the help I've gotten from all these other people. And with the meditation and hopefully with other ways, I really genuinely want to, in turn, help other people. I'm not a guru, I'm not enlightened, I just really, really enjoy all this work. Here's something you don't see every day. Look at all these little guys. These little crabs. In the grass. Running around. Not gonna hurt you, bud. Just gotta make sure I don't step on you. Look at that. Just making it up. I wasn't gonna talk. Alright. Well. Look at this beautiful little bed. Got a cupcake right there, believe it or not. Oh, moon. What is up, moon? Beauty.